Hello friends! Before our story begins and the fun rolls in, let's take a juicy journey filled with fruity grin. We're about to meet some fruity friends. They bounce, they smile, and the learning never ends.
Hi friends, I'm Apple, crunchy, tasty, and fun to eat. I wear red like a superhero and give your body cool benefits. Here are a few fun facts. I grow on happy trees with buzzing bees. I come in red, green, and yellow, wow. I've got seeds inside and a smooth skin outside. And guess what? I help your teeth stay strong, give you the power to play, and keep your brain sharp. So grab me for a yummy, healthy snack. Snack time just got fruity fun.
Hey buddies, Toot and Banana, the bendy, yellow fellow with a super silly smile. I may look like I'm just monkey business, but I'm here to power up your day. Fun banana facts. I grow in bunches like best friends hugging. I'm soft and sweet inside with a cozy yellow peel. My shape is curved because I reach for the sun. And here's the cool stuff I do for your body. I give you energy to run and bounce around. I help muscles grow strong and steady. I keep your mood bright like sunshine. So unwrap me and take a bite, because every snack with banana feels just right.
Hey, I'm Orange, the sunshine fruit with a citrusy punch. My color is as happy as my flavor, and I'm bursting with juicy goodness. Here's what makes me awesome. I grow on trees and love the sun just like you do on a perfect weekend. Inside my peel, I've got sweet little sections packed with flavor. I'm easy to share and fun to snack on. And guess what I do for you? I fill you up with vitamin C to keep the sniffles away. I help your body stay strong and energized. I'm good for your heart and your smile. Whether you eat me fresh, drink me as juice, or mix me into a tasty recipe, Orange is always ready to brighten your day.
I am Pineapple, hailing from lush tropical lands,
where warm wind dance and the sunshine bright.
Slice me open, and let the fun commence. You'll unleash a burst of delightful sweetness, pure delight. I stand proudly with a crown, bold and brilliant.
Golden inside, like a radiant sunbeam.
I may have spikes on top, but don't you be fooled. With a sweet and tangy flavor, I'm the ultimate treat.
Thanks for learning with us today. We had so much fun with apple, banana, orange, and pineapple. Remember, fruits are yummy and help us grow strong and healthy. See you next time for more fruity fun. Bye-bye, friends. Awesome explorers. If you had fun learning with us today, and if this video tickled your brain and boosted your fruity powers, don't forget, like the video if you smiled. Subscribe so you never miss a tasty adventure. Share the fun with your friends, because learning is better together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and stay sweet.